are you looking for your home interiors? This can be challenging and chaotic. This is not just space planning, it's full of emotions. You should enjoy the process and leave all the heavy lifting to the professionals. At Kriti Kreations, we help you design your dream home exactly the way you want it. The whole process starts by understanding you, your lifestyle, your needs, and your vision. We walk you through the materials, finishes, and options. So you are not just choosing what looks good, you are also choosing what works best for you. Our designers plan every corner of your house very carefully, making sure your space is not just beautiful but also practical and comfortable. Once everything is finalized, your home starts taking shape in our factory. We use a 50-ton cold press machine to ensure laminates are perfectly bonded to the surfaces. This panel saw machine cuts the panels with precision and clean edges, that too with exact measurements. This robotic edge banding machine seals the edge of your panels. This protects the panel against moisture and increases its life, while making the sharp edges very smooth. Using this multi-boring machine, we drill holes in each panel for minifix assembly. No guesswork, no manual errors, just perfect fitting for a seamless installation. Before anything leaves our factory, it goes through a detailed quality check. Then it's carefully packed and sent to your home, ready for installation. During on-site execution, our team installs each unit step by step, slowly turning your space into the home you imagined. From kitchens to wardrobes, everything is handled with utmost care. At the end, it's not just furniture, it's your home designed around you and for you. We will be happy to have you in our experience center. Witness this journey for yourself.